Hello, this is Novo from UC Berkeley, IR190G, and this is my week 5 video, which will be the first of series of videos about one patent. So the patent I will be talking about for the next few weeks is patent US7069055, which is about displaying local times on mobile devices. It is filed by Samsung. This patent's actually part of a lawsuit that Samsung filed against Apple in April 27, 2011. It is filed in San Jose, California at US District Court level. And in that lawsuit, there are 10 patents total. 7 of them is about wireless, and 3, including the 7069055, is about user interface. This litigation is just one of many and a bunch of lawsuits which are usually called smartphone patent war, which Samsung and Apple are heavily involved in. Actually, this lawsuit that Samsung filed against Apple was preceded 12 days before by a lawsuit that Apple filed against Samsung in San Jose as well. Samsung probably already had these 10 patents ready to be used against Apple anytime anyway, but this filing by Apple probably caused Samsung to file its complaint at that time. Now I will talk more about the actual patent. The title is Mobile Telephone Capable of Displaying World Time and Method for Controlling the Same. It was filed on July 17, 1998 and issued about 8 years later, June 27, 2006. Just to be clear, in the lawsuit that this patent is involved in, Samsung is a plaintiff and Apple is a defendant. Samsung is claiming that iPhone 3, 4, and the iPad, as well as the iPod Touch, are infringing the patent. In the patent, there are 8 total claims, 2 of which are independent. There are 3 more recent patents that already reference patent US7069055. So the patent title is a little bit long and hard to understand, but basically what this patent says is that there's apparatus, devices, and methods that allow a mobile device to display time for multiple cities. So I can look up the time for Tokyo, Berlin, London, New York, and Los Angeles at the same time. The device gets a reference time from some remote system, so like time syncing, and then it calculates the local times of the device by using some simple math saying how much time has elapsed and how much is a time difference. It seems pretty simple, but it was filed in 1998 before all this automatically syncing clocks and watches became a big thing. So most likely a lot of devices, not just Apple devices, infringe on this patent. So that's the overall gist of the patent, and that's it for this week. I hope you learned something new, and I will make another video next week.